Welcome to the Justice Pro Network's Daily Deep Dive in 5, where we bring you today's most important stories in advocacy, impact, and justice. I'm Aisha.
And I'm Aiden. We've got some significant developments to discuss today, focusing on immigration policy and LGBTQ+ rights in the military.
Let's start with a concerning trend in immigration enforcement. Recent reports indicate there's been an alarming collaboration between USCIS and ICE that's raising eyebrows among immigration attorneys and advocates.
That's right. Immigration expert Latoya McBean-Pompey recently highlighted that since January 20th, 2025, USCIS has facilitated the arrests of 369 individuals at its field offices. This represents a significant shift in how these agencies are working together.
This is particularly troubling because USCIS was traditionally seen as the agency that helps people navigate the immigration process, while ICE handles enforcement. Now that line is blurring.
Exactly. Immigration attorneys now need to prepare their clients differently for USCIS interviews, especially for marriage cases. There's a much higher level of scrutiny, and the stakes are much higher.
Pompey emphasized that attorneys should be advising clients to carefully review their applications, correct any discrepancies, and be ready for more intense questioning than in previous years.
And there's been a concerning trend of discussions around so-called self-deportation. The American Immigration Lawyers Association has cautioned against this, describing it as a deceptive offer that could lead to severe long-term consequences.
Immigration attorneys really need to step up as educators here, making sure their clients understand the changing landscape and the increased risks they face during the application process.
Switching gears, let's talk about another significant development: the Supreme Court's controversial decision regarding transgender troops serving in the military.
This is a major setback for LGBTQ+ rights. The Supreme Court, with its conservative majority, has allowed the administration to enforce its ban on transgender individuals serving in the military, overruling decisions made by lower courts.
For context, back in 2016, the Obama administration lifted the ban on transgender troops, allowing them to serve openly. This was reversed by the Trump administration, which argued that transgender individuals compromise military effectiveness.
Many experts have contested that claim as completely unfounded, and now approximately 4,200 transgender service members are facing uncertainty about their future in the military.
The implications are profound. These individuals could lose their livelihoods despite their dedication and service to our country, simply based on their identity rather than their abilities or performance.
Critics, including lawmakers and veterans, have pointed out that banning qualified individuals from serving not only harms those individuals, but ultimately risks national security by reducing the talent pool available for military service.
And on a practical level, statistics show that healthcare costs for transgender troops are negligible compared to overall military spending, undermining one of the main arguments used to support the ban.
As this battle continues in the courts, advocacy organizations are mobilizing to challenge what they see as discriminatory policies that compromise the integrity of the military.
Both of today's stories highlight ongoing challenges in the fight for equality and justice in America. Whether it's immigrants facing increased scrutiny or transgender service members fighting for their right to serve, these are defining issues of our time.
That's our Daily Deep Dive for today. Remember, you can find more detailed coverage of these stories at justicepronetwork.com.
Thanks for listening to the Justice Pro Network's Daily Deep Dive in 5. I'm Aiden.
And I'm Aisha. Join us tomorrow for more essential updates on advocacy, impact, and justice.